Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are one of the most extraordinary life forms on Earth. These tiny, water-dwelling creatures are members of the phylum Tardigrada, which contains over 1,000 species. They have captured the fascination of scientists and the public alike due to their incredible ability to survive in some of the harshest conditions imaginable, making them arguably some of the toughest organisms known. Firstly, tardigrades are famous for their resilience. They can survive in environments that would be fatal to most other forms of life. For instance, tardigrades can withstand extreme temperatures, from just above absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This remarkable range allows them to survive in places as varied as the deepest oceans and outer space. Experiments have even shown that tardigrades can survive in the vacuum of space without any protection. When exposed to space conditions, they endure not only the lack of oxygen, but also dangerous levels of radiation, including UV rays, gamma rays, and X-rays. Their ability to survive these conditions is due in part to their unique proteins and cellular repair mechanisms. These remarkable animals are incredibly small, typically ranging from 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters in length, although some species can reach up to 1.5 millimeters. They have a segmented body with 8 legs, each ending in tiny claws that help them navigate through their microscopic world. Tardigrades are mostly aquatic, found in diverse environments such as mosses, lichens, soil, and leaf litter. In fact, you can often find tardigrades in a backyard puddle or on a mossy rock. Despite their preference for water, they can withstand complete desiccation by entering a state called cryptobiosis, during which they lose almost all of their body water and curl into a ball called a tongue. In this dehydrated state, they can remain viable for decades or even centuries, only to rehydrate and come back to life when water becomes available. In addition to surviving extreme temperatures and dehydration, tardigrades can endure high levels of radiation, which would be lethal to humans. They do this through a protein called DSUP, short for damage suppressor, which shields their DNA from radiation-induced damage. The discovery of DSUP has excited scientists, as it could potentially have applications in human medicine and space travel by protecting human cells from radiation damage. Tardigrades have also been found to survive pressures up to 6 times greater than those at the deepest part of Earth's oceans. They have been frozen in liquid helium and boiled at temperatures exceeding 150 degrees Celsius, only to recover when placed back in a more hospitable environment. Their unique survival skills have even earned them a place in space research, where scientists study their behavior to learn more about potential life support systems for humans on long-term space missions. Beyond their physical resilience, tardigrades exhibit some fascinating biological features. They are eutelic organisms, meaning they are born with a fixed number of cells. For instance, some species have exactly 40,000 cells throughout their lives, with no new cells being produced as they grow. Instead, each cell increases in size rather than in number. This fixed cell growth model is rare and provides unique insights into cellular biology and aging. Tardigrades reproduce both sexually and asexually, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Some tardigrades can lay eggs that are resistant to harsh conditions, while others produce offspring through parthenogenesis, a form of reproduction that does not require fertilization by a male. Their lifespan can vary significantly, from a few months in active conditions to many years if they undergo periods of cryptobiosis. One of the most intriguing abilities of tardigrades is their capability to endure high levels of toxins and radiation. In experiments, they have survived doses of radiation up to 1,000 times higher than those lethal to humans. Scientists believe this radiation resistance may be a side effect of their ability to repair DNA damage from other extreme conditions, like dehydration. In fact, it's their ability to withstand desiccation that may hold the key to many of their other extreme survival traits. Additionally, tardigrades have unique proteins called intrinsically disordered proteins, IDPs, which are thought to play a crucial role in their survival. IDPs help prevent cellular damage by maintaining the structure of other proteins during extreme stress, such as dehydration or radiation exposure. This mechanism is believed to be one of the reasons why tardigrades can survive for extended periods in a dried-out state without suffering permanent damage. Another fascinating aspect of tardigrade biology is their genome. Recent studies have revealed that their genome contains genes from other organisms, a phenomenon known as horizontal gene transfer. Tardigrades have acquired DNA from bacteria, plants, and fungi, which may contribute to their extraordinary resilience. This cross-species gene acquisition is relatively rare in animals and adds another layer of complexity to their survival strategies. Despite their toughness, tardigrades are not invincible. They have predators, including other microinvertebrates such as nematodes and some types of fungi. However, their cryptobiotic state offers a means of escaping danger when conditions are unfavorable. This state of suspended animation allows them to pause their metabolic processes, effectively halting their aging, and evading predators and environmental hazards alike. Tardigrades have even gained a place in popular culture and the public imagination. They have been nicknamed moss piglets and water bears due to their chubby, bear-like appearance. They appear in science fiction and are often referenced as an example of life's resilience. The scientific interest in tardigrades is so strong that they were among the first multicellular organisms to be sent into outer space in the TARDIS experiment, where they were exposed to the harsh vacuum and radiation of space and survived. The study of tardigrades also has practical applications for technology and medicine. By understanding how tardigrades survive desiccation, scientists hope to develop better preservation methods for pharmaceuticals and even human organs for transplantation. Their resistance to radiation is being studied for possible applications in protecting astronauts from cosmic rays during extended space missions. Furthermore, the tardigrade genome may hold clues for developing new treatments for human diseases, as the proteins involved in their DNA repair could inspire similar mechanisms in human cells. While they may seem simple due to their small size and primitive appearance, tardigrades are anything but ordinary. They are marvels of adaptation, with biological mechanisms that push the boundaries of what scientists thought was possible. From their ability to endure extreme temperatures and radiation to their unusual reproductive methods and genomic composition, tardigrades continue to captivate researchers who are eager to uncover the secrets behind their resilience. In the world of microbiology and extremophiles, tardigrades have earned a reputation as one of nature's most remarkable survivors. Their enduring qualities and unusual adaptations not only shed light on the possibilities of life on Earth but also hint at the potential for life in environments beyond our planet. As science progresses, the humble tardigrade will likely continue to play a key role in our understanding of biology, resilience, and the boundaries of life.